Hey guys, Savage Cuber here, and I'm joined by my friend to smash a Rubik's Cube. They're crap anyway. Alright, take it away.
Okay. Let's get this works.
Holy crap! Oh my gosh! Look at that, look at that. Hold that, oh my gosh. Oh my god. Ethan, that's not the result I wanted. You have to do it again. Ow!
It's not over yet!
One piece hit me.
Wait, look, it's like, woo! I can solve it.
One
I solved
One piece freaking hit me and like the...
I solved the black side.
Guys, we solved the black side. We're totally pros.
Okay.
Okay. We're not done yet.
Oh look, I found it. It was the yellow side, and there it is.
Wait, do that again. I didn't catch the bounce.
That was weird. It was like...
God, that bounces, dude.
It's not breaking anymore.
It's the new super bounce.
How solid do you think that wall is?
Not solid enough.
Sound like a good idea?
Solid enough. Anyways, guys, this has been the Savage Cuber, and I will see you next time. God dang, it's gonna take a long time to clean up. Alright, so just a quick update. This is the aftermath of what we could pick up. I'm pretty sure there's still pieces there, but we'll have to get that later. There's, like, look at this. This was shattered for real. My friend's keeping this as a souvenir of the destruction. Anyways, guys, this has been the Savage Cuber. I'll see you next time.